Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to hide following list in Instagram. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. As of now, Instagram doesn't let you or give you the option to hide your followers, but you can try the alternative ways, and the alternative method one is make your account private. To do it, first what you need to do is head over and open up your Instagram. Then once you're inside here, what you need to do is tap on your profile icon on the bottom right corner of your screen. Now once you're inside here, what you need to do is tap on the three horizontal bar on the top right corner of the screen, and once you're inside your settings and activity, what you need to do here is scroll down until you find the option that says account privacy right here, and then tap on it. Now once you're inside here, what you need to do is tap on the option private account right here and simply toggle it on. Now only your approved followers can see your following list. Then next is to block the specific people. To do it, simply head over to your search bottom of your screen or search icon on the bottom of your screen, then tap on the search bar and then type in the name of the account that you want to block. Then once you're inside there, simply visit your profile, then tap on the three dot icon on the top right corner of the screen, then tap on block. Now they won't be able to see your profile, followings, followers, or even find you. Then next is to restrict or remove followers. So this method works if you want to limit visibility without blocking. To do it, all you gotta do is just simply head over to the person's profile, then tap on the three dot icon on the top right once again. Now on tapping it, you'll find the option that says restrict right here. Simply tap on that, and now they will still follow you but have limited interactions. Then you can also go to your profile and then simply tap on the followers list, and here select the person that you want to remove, tap on it, and then you'll find an option to remove your followers from your followers list. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.